Thanksgiving, everyone. This is Cooking with Intention. I'm Tracy and welcome to my kitchen. So I just have to say, I'm so grateful for those who view my videos and share them, as well as being able to do what I love. So you are done eating your turkey and you've had some turkey sandwiches. So now what do we do? Well, we're gonna make a turkey Tetrazzini, which is an Italian dish, but it is sometimes used with chicken, which you can as well, but we're gonna use turkey. So I have my pasta, which is an egg noodle. It's not the super wide one, but it is very good. And I have 3 cups of chopped up turkey, leftover turkey, and I have an 8-ounce sliced mushrooms, and I wanted to put 3 diced shallots, but I only had 2. So 2 diced shallots, and I have a half of a small onion. And I have a cup of chicken broth, olive oil, a half a cup of white wine. I have a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese, and a cup of chopped up parsley. I have a half a cup of reduced fat sour cream, my spices. I am only using a half a teaspoon of salt because I put salt in my pasta and I know that this had salt in it. So salt, pepper, oregano, and some Italian seasoning. 3 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. So what we're gonna do is, because this is already cooked, it still needs to heat through. This is already cooked. So now I'm gonna saute my onion, shallot, and mushrooms and add in all the yummy stuff for sauce. And I'll show you how that's gonna go. Okay, I have preheated my oven to 375, and I'm heating up both the oil, the olive oil, and the butter. And I'm gonna add my mushrooms and my shallot onion. And I'm gonna let that cook through for probably 5 minutes until the mushrooms have done sweating and the onions are translucent. Oh, yum. As you can see, it is, my onions and shallots are translucent and the mushrooms have stopped sweating. So I'm gonna add in my garlic. And I can't tell you, well, maybe I can. My brother says he wishes there was a smell vision, hashtag that, because the aromas are amazing. So I've got my garlic and all of my spices and the flour. We're gonna mix that all together. All right, we're gonna add in the white wine and the broth. And 3/4 of my parsley. Give that a good stir, let it simmer a bit. Now, we want to add the creaminess, so we're adding the sour cream and the Parmesan cheese. This is going to be delicious. I'm going to turn off my heat. Now we're gonna mix in our turkey, and all of the pasta, all in one pot. Give that a good mix. Now I've sprayed my pan with cooking spray. So now I'm going to put everything in my baking pan. Now, because I want it to cook through for the turkey, I'm just going to cover it with tin foil. And put this shiny side down. It holds in the heat. So I'm gonna put this in the oven at 375 for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, and as you can see, it's kind of heated through. So now I'm gonna add my mozzarella cheese, because I really want it to get bubbly and yummy and crusty. And we'll bake this for another 15 minutes until it's all bubbly. Okay, so I let it bake for the additional 15 minutes, and then the cheese got all yummy and bubbly, and then I decided let's put it under the broiler so that it gets a little bit more color and the cheese crusts up just a little bit. So this is an amazing way to use your leftover turkey. Yes, I love turkey sandwiches too, but to reuse it, repurpose it, it is an amazing dish. And it can be substituted with chicken, which is what I typically make it with, but we're gonna just substitute that out and make it turkey tetrazzini today. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you had a fabulous Thanksgiving, and I am going to dish myself up some here for lunch. And so this, I'm gonna top it with a little bit of the leftover parsley. And this is an amazing dish. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe and share my videos. I so much appreciate it. And follow me on Instagram, cooking_with_intention. And until next time, please be well.